Imagine this. You need to buy something important, but ouch, your credit score is holding you back. Frustrating, right? Think of it like a video game. You know how a high score unlocks awesome rewards. Well, your credit score works the same way in real life. A high score can open doors to better interest rates, easier loans, and so much more. It's like your financial report card, showing how well you manage money. Things like paying bills on time and using credit wisely. Want to level up your financial freedom? Stick around, because I'm about to share 18 tips to boost your credit score. Let's start with the basics. Paying your bills on time. This single factor accounts for about 35% of your credit score, making it the most significant piece of the puzzle. Automating payments or setting reminders can be a game changer in ensuring you never miss a deadline. Next, focus on your credit utilization. Keeping your credit card balances low is crucial. It makes up roughly 30% of your score. A good rule of thumb is to keep your usage below 30% of your credit limit, but aiming closer to 10% can give you an even better boost. Over time, building a longer credit history can strengthen your score. The longer you've been responsibly managing credit, the more reliable you appear to lenders. That's why it's often a good idea to keep older accounts open, even if you're not using them actively. Be mindful of how often you apply for new credit. Frequent applications for new credit can trigger multiple hard inquiries, which may slightly lower your score. Try to space out your applications and only apply when necessary. It's also beneficial to diversify your credit mix. Showing you can handle different types of credit, like a car loan, a mortgage, or a credit card, demonstrates versatility and financial responsibility. Checking your credit report regularly is another smart move. Think of it as staying on top of your game. Mistakes or outdated information can drag down your score, so review your report for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. If you're ever facing financial hardship, don't hesitate to reach out to your creditors. Proactive communication can often prevent negative marks on your report and shows you're taking responsibility. Stability is key, so try to avoid frequent address changes or inconsistencies in your personal information across accounts. If you're looking to establish or rebuild credit, tools like secured credit cards or credit builder loans can be incredibly helpful. They allow you to demonstrate responsible borrowing and create a positive credit history. Sometimes negotiating with creditors can work to your advantage. If you have accounts in collections, consider asking for a pay-for-delete agreement. This could result in the removal of negative entries from your credit report after payment. Another strategy to improve your score is to request a credit limit increase, but only if you're disciplined enough to avoid increasing your spending. A higher limit can lower your credit utilization, making your score look better. Spreading your spending across multiple cards instead of maxing out one is also a wise move. This keeps individual balances low and improves your overall credit profile. Finally, registering to vote, where applicable, might not directly boost your score, but it helps lenders verify your identity. Little steps like this can add up over time. Monitoring your credit is an essential part of maintaining a strong score. In the UK, you can get free credit reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion through creditinfo.co.uk. In the US, annualcreditreport.com provides similar services. Many banks and credit card companies also offer free credit monitoring tools, so take advantage of those. If you need extra guidance, credit counselling services can provide valuable support. In the UK, organisations like Step Change Debt Charity, National Debt Line, and Citizens Advice are excellent resources. In the US, you can turn to non-profits like the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, NFCC, or Money Management International, MMI. Building a strong credit score takes time and consistent effort, but the rewards are worth it. Stay informed and be patient. With these strategies and tools, you'll be well on your way to unlocking a world of financial opportunities. If you've got any other credit boosting strategies that have worked for you, drop them in the comments.